Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. A very good evening to you all. This is Al Amin Tushar here. ID 221809 Chemistry Discipline, Khulna University. My presentation topic is Chittagong Port, Bangladesh's trump card in its diplomacy of balance. The port of Chittagong. It is located in Bangladesh's port city Chittagong and on the banks of the Kornofuli River. It is the only one and largest seaport in Bangladesh. It is the busiest seaport in Southeast Asia, and last of all, it ranked as the 58th busiest container port in the world in 2019. Establishment of this port. In the 2nd century, Chittagong Harbour appeared on Ptolemy's map, drawn by the Greco-Roman cartographer Claudius Ptolemy. Arab traders frequented Chittagong since the 9th century. The Portuguese settlement in Chittagong centered on the port in the 16th and 17th century. The modern Chittagong port was organized in 1887 under the Port Commissioner Act in the British Indian Empire. The Chittagong Port Trust was formed in East Pakistan in 1960. After the Bangladesh Liberation War, after getting independence from Pakistan, the Port Trust was granted semi-autonomous status within the government and renamed to Chittagong Port Authority in 1976. So it has a bright and historical uh, history on itself. Then, type of birth. Dol- there are many kind of birds for different purpose. First of all, dolphin oil jetty for handling crude and product oil vessels of up to 186 meters. Then Kafko ammonia jetty the vessels having up to 186 meters at Kafko ammonia jetties. The third one is Chittagong urea fertilizer jetty. It has or the vessels up to 176 meters and can be loaded up to maximum draft of 8.5 meters. Grain silo jetty, vessels up to 186 meters, and the last one is UTT jetty. Its main United Tank Terminal jetty. Commissioning for loading and unloading operation of all tanker vessels since July 2020. Here are some berths, some terminal as well we can see, and we have the area of this terminal or berths. Then going to next slide. Basic import product of this port. Bangladesh spent the highest over 10,000 crore taka behind the import of each of 9 products in fiscal year 2022 to 2023, although some 4788 types of goods entered through the Chattogram port. The 9 basic imported products are cotton, diesel, scrap, metal, moraine oil, palm oil, soybean, cement clinker, wheat, and crude edible oil. Here is a picture of importing and exporting basic export product from this port. Though Bangladesh export limited things, limited product, Bangladesh export product less than its import quantity. There are some export product of Bangladesh through Chittagong port. Clothing, leather and hide tanning and finishing. Hosiery, frozen food manufacturing, other chemical products. There's some picture of garments products and leather, as we can see. Next, then problems and lacking of this port. Every physical or material things have problems beside their benefits. So it has some problems and lackings. There are some problems, or and we can say lacking of this port is insufficient human resource and equipment, illegal illegal occupation of land, irregularities in dock worker management, irregularities in import and export, corruption and irregularities beside bride givers, bride receivers and the affected group. We have to be more moral to prosper our this side, to grow our economy in a right way. Port security. The Bangladesh Navy's largest naval base, the BNS Isa Khan and the Bangladesh Naval Academy are located in Chittagong port to protect from the outer or foreign attack. A missile launch pad is locked near the port by Bangladesh Navy. The Bangladesh Air Force maintain its BAF Zohorul Haq Air Base near the port. In addition, the Bangladesh Navy operates on airborne maritime surveillance wing. It is also guarded by Coastal Guard Bangladesh. Here's some picture of Bangladesh Navy and Bangladesh Air Force. Next, we have a chart of the vessels number according or respect to the financial year. In 2015 to 2016, 2136 number of vessels are going through this port, as well as 2016 to 17 the number is 2295, and 2017 to 2018 the number is 2566, as well as 19 to 20 is 2875. Similarly, 2020 to 2021 financial year have 3092 number of vessels throughout this port. And then 2021 to 2022 this port handled 3664 vessels, and the last record until September 2023 we have 1992 number of vessels on record. Then significance of this port. The port handles over 90% of Bangladesh's export-import trade, and it has been used by India, Nepal and Bhutan for transshipment. It means Bhutan, India and Nepal get also some help, some benefit from our port, from Chittagong port. It allows our all foreign trade. That's why we can export and import our product and earn a lot of foreign money. Then Chittagong port generates more than 3 more than 30 billion each year. It's a lot of money. A lot of industry depends on it, such as shipbuilding, textile and chemicals, and the labor who work on this site. I has been it has been a positive driver for employment which has created job opportunities for the local population. Here's some records of job opportunities for local population. Over 8,000 people work in the Chittagong port as a labor, as a worker, as a high profile officer. Then 31.9% of people work in the port. Conclusion. The finding of the study are consistent with the existing transport economics literature, which underlines the fundamental contribution of part of port infrastructure quality and logistics performance to the economic growth of a country. The port of Chittagong has significant role in growth and overall development in Bangladesh. Overall, if the port runs well, our countries will run as well. It is the diamond blessing of our country. So, last of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher for listening my presentation, and that's all. Thank you everyone.